Hey guys, so for today's video we are doing lesson 116. And our objective today is that we can multiply a one-digit and a multi-digit number using the multiplication algorithm. So normally when we look at a number like this, we can do mental computation. So we can say that 5 times 3 is 15. We can say that 4 times 3 is 12. 120 plus 15 is 135. Now I'm going to show you how to do this using the multiplication algorithm instead. Let me switch colors here. So we're doing the same process and doing each number separately, but we're going to add a little bit of trick to it. So 5 times 3 is 15. Whenever you're adding, you would usually carry the 1. That's the same thing we're going to do. So 5 times 3 is 15, and I'm going to carry the 1. Now the tricky part of this is I want you to make sure that your top number is always in a bubble. Because that top number, if it's in a bubble, we're going to add it, not multiply it. So 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 135. Let's do it with this one as well. 2 times 5 is 10. So I'm going to put the 0 down here and the 1 in a bubble. Remember, the number in the circle I add. So 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 1 is 41. 410. Got it? Let's try one more. We're going to do 36 times 5. So 6 times 5 is 30. Remember, that number goes in a bubble. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 180. Now that you're able to do that with your 2 digits, let's do some 3-digit numbers. $193 times 5. Remember, this is the same thing. We're going to continue to carry our tens place and add it later on. But remember, put it in a bubble so that way you remember to add. So 3 times 5 is 15. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 965. Now that I've done it with a 3-digit, I can do it with a 4-digit number. Four times 6, 24. Carry my 2. 3 times 6 is 18. Add the bubble. 18 plus 2 is 20. 2 times 6 is 12. Add the bubble. 12 plus 2 is 14. 1 times 6 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'm going to put a slide in your assignments to practice that a little more, but go ahead and do your guided class practice after this. Finish the slides, rewatch this video if you need a little help carrying, and as always, ask if you have any questions. Good luck, 2nd grade!